more understanding, more doing, the land. Oh, this is good. You got it, bro. All right, guys, so we are here today with Nestor, and he's an incredible skateboarder. How long have you been skateboarding for?
Like 6 months.
6 months. That's amazing. And first we're gonna start out with ollie, frontside 180, and then we're gonna teach him how to do the backside 180. So show us your ollie. Good, got a nice ollie. Okay, now frontside 180. Good, good, good. You wanna do it again. His face, he did not look satisfied with that. So go ahead, do it again. Okay, that's good.
Let me try it.
Yeah, go ahead. Hey, that was good. You wanna roll, and then you wanna do the frontside 180 and keep rolling. One thing that will help you, you land heavy on your front foot, right? Because then if you don't go all the way, you can still pivot and you can still land. Does that make sense? Try it. This is gonna help you with the backside 180 too. Yeah, good. We wanna get it all the way around if we can. There you go. Do it again. There you go. That was good. Okay, now, same thing. Backside 180, you're going the other direction. Oh, this is good. I like that you did that because we can learn that.
My friend over here is gonna land his first tray flip.
Tray flip
Right
first?
Here, let's go, right here.
Oh, you got it. Okay, ready? Upper body turn, and then just slide. Slide your back wheels. Okay, that was good. That was good. We're getting you the motion there. You see how that feels though, right? So do that same thing again, then you're gonna wanna pop the board with it. Try. Oh, it was good. That was good. When I was these kids' ages, I never had a no ledge like this in my whole life. If this would have existed, this is all I would have skated. Okay, you got it. Back 180. No, keep going. Land the back 180. You got it. You got it, bro. Keep your back foot on there. You're right there. That's good. That's good. You're getting it though, right?
Yeah.
You feeling it? You what? Yeah, good. He said he understands more, which is what we're looking for. More understanding, more doing, the land. Yeah, good. Now you do that same thing and just pop it, just the littlest pop. That's good. Upper body first. Keep your feet on. Yeah, just give it a little pop now. Just a tiny little ollie with that. We missed it, nobody saw that one. Don't worry about it. Yeah. You got it. Are you getting discouraged? Don't get discouraged. You got it, bro. Right here, first try. Yeah, just keep your back foot on there. Yeah, give it a little, just a little like, okay, here's what I think will help you. Do an ollie. Get an ollie. And now good, same thing with that ollie, except for you're gonna turn. Yep, close. Now you just gotta turn more. Yeah. Oh, was it! That was it! Yeah, keep your back foot on there. Yeah, you got that. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank
You did it! Oh, it was awesome.
Thank you so much.
Good job. All right, well, that was really well done. What did you learn?
How to backside 180.
And like, was there any like things that you were like, oh, I didn't understand that, and then that helped me land it?
Well, the first time I didn't understand how to like turn.
Yep.
Then I can turn more better. Yeah, and I try like more times. I can get it more like more times.
Awesome. Very well done. Well, you killed it. All right, you guys, get out there, learn to ride a skateboard, have an absolute blast. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Keep pushing.